clicker?
I put it up there.
Oh, okay. This is not me.
Cool.
All right. I do need a glass of water. Hopefully we will have water at the real thing. Rod's always cutting corners. My name is Doug Krugman, and my company is Web Thrift Store. So we've come up with an innovative idea to fill a need in the marketplace that nobody else is filling right now. Americans are generous. We are the most generous nation in the world. And in fact, we give more to charity than we spend on consumer electronics, on gambling, on professional sports. So charitable giving is a massive marketplace that people often don't think about. And all of that giving is coming from individual people, individuals like you and me, who are spending to support a cause that they care about. But we're also a nation that loves to shop. And we have so much stuff that we are literally drowning in it in our homes, and we now pay for $2.2 billion of storage units just to keep all that stuff. In fact, there's about $700 billion worth of stuff that people are hanging on to that they don't really want. They would love to sell it or even give it away. So what if we could take some of that stuff and use it to support those causes that people really care about? We know that thrift stores are already a big offline marketplace, $13 billion, even though that's just a fraction of what we believe it could be. But this market literally has not come online. It simply has not followed the growth of online commerce. So today, online represents about 12% of all retail, and this market is literally 0% online. And that's where Web Thrift Store comes in. We are basically bringing this market online, enabling you to donate an item, sitting at home, watching TV, any time of day or night. Take an item. We've made it incredibly easy for you to say, I want this item to go to this particular charity. That gets listed online. Somebody who wants that item can purchase it. Their money goes to the charity, and then you get a notification that your item has sold, and the person can either pick it up from you or it can be sent to them. So let's walk through how this works. You would, and obviously I will have a nice walkthrough on here. You would choose the charity you want to go to, for example, ASPCA, and click Donate Stuff. You would then, I don't have those, you could then simply type in the item that you want to donate, and you'll get a list back. So it's just like Google. You get, like searching on Google and shopping, which everybody knows how to do. You'll get a list of products back. You match the product that you have that you want to donate. You click on that. We automatically build a form for you to list that item. All you need to do now is put in the amount that you would like to go to the charity for that item, as well as what condition your item's in, and a little bit of help if you want to do the shipping. Now, once you have clicked Post My Item, that's when you get to share it over your social network and let the world know that you have this item that you would like to get rid of, and you would like it to go to this charity that you care about. And send that out as a message on your network, say, without somebody to buy this item, it won't help anybody. And then when you're done, you will get a letter that you can use to write it off on your taxes. So we went out and talked to people about this idea, and I'll allow the video to speak for itself, which isn't there right now. So it's speaking very silently. So that's great, but how are we going to get customers? Well, our distribution strategy is to work with the charities. This is a great deal for the charities. They keep 80%, they have no costs in setting this up and operating it. It is a guaranteed 80% that they will get from that themselves. So that's a great incentive for them. They are looking for ways to fundraise. This is a great opportunity for them to go to people and say, you can help support us without paying any money. And today we're announcing that we have launched partnerships with the ASPCA, Disabled Veterans, and Maccabi USA. And we have a number of charities in the pipeline that we'll be able to announce soon. So, next week, we're going to be launching with the ASPCA our first campaign, which will go out to 2 million supporters by email and through magazine, with our new ad campaign here, showing how your objects can go to help the charitable causes. And this is a campaign which we can use over all the different charities. Obviously, not with the dog, for the other charities. We're going after a little bit different market than has been gone after. Nobody's really gone after this other than charities, the casual donor, and using the charities as our distribution channel. So the other way that you can get rid of items online is by selling those items. However, only 16% of people have actually sold anything online, whereas 84% of Americans have donated in in-kind, a donation of an in-kind gift to charity. So we're going after that 84% of people and not the 16% of people who we're calling casual donors. And you can really see the difference between the two markets here, between somebody who goes to eBay and is looking to make money by selling an item and goes through a lengthy process. We work through 37 steps that you would have to go through, 37 screens that you have to go to, wait several days. That's not 10 minutes? Sorry. Oh, okay. Wait 10 days, 2 days for the item, and pay fees, and you can get some of those fees refunded back to you. But this is not the market we're going after. We're going after casual donors, and we've created an incredibly easy process. And since our marketplace is not one that people would use for fraud, we have much less worry about needing to get their bank account and putting them through the difficult steps that an eBay puts us through. We're up and running. We've got payments set up. You get prepaid shipping labels. You can get boxes and get pickup from USPS. We've built a client dashboard and self-service portal for the charities, and we're just about to launch. We have a great team together, including 3 of us who have worked before at a previous company, and we're looking to raise, I'm not sure the number yet, and reach our next milestones, which we're putting together our marketing kit to go out to the charities, and we're going to have 20 new charities onboarded into our system over the next few months, and also building a mobile application. So that is Web Thrift Store.